Okay, so what's up guys, I'm Pixel Sammy and welcome to this newest video. And first of all, I hope you guys are liking this particular new look because I got a new lens. This is the OG lens 1835 from Sigma and I am using the Sigma MC adapter with it. So let me know how this particular visuals are like. I know it is more or less the same because I'm using the same focal length, same aperture and all. So we will see how it looks. So let me know in the comment section down below. So with that being said, in this particular video we're going to talk about film grains. Now we all know what film grains are, right? They are this particular grains which gives this video some artistic look, some vintage kind of a look, and overall this is one of those looks which a lot of you people replicate a lot. And making this particular looks are pretty simple in both Final Cut Pro and in Premiere Pro. If you are using Final Cut Pro, you can use my film effects pack and you can just directly put your effects onto your clip for getting that 16mm or the 8mm grains. Or for Premiere Pro users, you have to use overlays as separate layers, and it is pretty simple as well. All you have to do is simply, also this particular method is applicable both in Final Cut Pro and in Premiere Pro if you guys want to. But of course, if you guys are in Final Cut Pro, you can use my film effects pack as well if you guys like to. But using this particular overlays is totally simple in either of the two softwares. With that being said, I found this particular website which gives out this particular film grains totally for free. So you can use them totally for free in any kind of videos out there. Just simply download this particular pack from the link in the description below, not sponsored by the way. And after that, drag it as a new layer onto your clip. Change the blend in mode, and then after you change the blend in mode, you will see that the grains are too harsh. You don't want it to be too harsh, right? So what you have to do is you have to reduce the opacity of the grains layer and just simply reduce the opacity of that particular layer and we're good to go. Maybe around 20% or 10% is more than enough for getting that certain look to your entire video. Also, if you want to put one more layer to it, one more kind of a way to take this to the next level, you can use my film overlays pack, which contains different kinds of film frames for your videos, and you can make this a lot better as well. So with that being said, that is enough for this particular video guys. If you guys make any kind of videos from my tutorials, make sure to post them on Instagram and tag me. I'll make sure to have a look. With that being said, I'm Pixel Sammy. We'll be back with another video soon. Peace out.